Bienvenido al canal cultural. Ven a disfrutarte, a regocijarte, a disfrutar con nosotros. Canal cultural. Cultúrate ya. Cultúrate con nosotros. Disfrute, dale like, comparte este canal.
Hayiti Sherry translates to Dear Haiti in English and is a traditional patriotic song of Haiti. It was originally written as a poem by Othello Bayard and was called Souvenir de Haiti, or Memory of Haiti. It was composed to music in 1925. It is widely considered Haiti's second national anthem and one of Haiti's most famous merengues. We are violinists from the LP Music Studio, led by Arkanj Michel. We will be playing our interpretation of Hayiti Sherry. My name is Bianca.
I'm Gael.
My name is Fakia.
My name is Gardine.
My name is Chante.